Hi guys, it's Jamie from supergrowth.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use my content creator tool. And basically what it does is it helps you kickstart your content creation process, or it does it all for you, whichever way you want to use it. So what it does is you enter in your keyword here, and then it will go off to Google and it will search that keyword and then bring back all the content on all of the web pages for it, up to 100 results. Now there's two ways you can use it. I kind of break it down into the black hat and the white hat way. Firstly, the black hat way, it'll bring back all the content, and then you have the option of whether you want it spun, and you can also shuffle all the sentences as well. So it'll take all the sentences and then put them in random places so that it's all, unique content. And it actually uses the Google Translate API to spin it. So what comes back is normally pretty much certain to be grammatically correct in the eyes of Google. And the white hat way of using it is it will go off, grab all the content, and it will display in the headers bit here, it will display all the content of the H1 tags, and if you want as well the H2 tags. Now you might think, why would anyone want that? So the reason it does that is because a lot of the time I found when I'm creating content, I kind of just look at a blank white page and I think, where do I start? How can I break this down into manageable chunks? And by this tool going off and getting all the headers from like 100 websites to do with your chosen topic you're about to write about, it can give you some really good ideas, because you can see how everyone else has broken their content down into chunks, and it'll give you kind of topics to discuss within that keyword, if that makes sense. Okay, so before I show you it in action, which you can have a look at the settings menu here, and there's actually only one setting for this tool. You choose which Google you want to scrape content from. So if you want your content to be more geographically relevant, then you may want to change the Google you're scraping from. Okay, so in this instance we're going to scrape content for dog training tips, and we're going to leave the word limit at 0, so that'll just do everything from the top 100. And we're going to grab the H2 head. No, let's not. Yeah, let's do it anyway. And I won't spin it for now, just so I can show it quicker. Okay, so let's start. So now it's going off, and you see it's got the top 100 results, and it's working its way through those, ripping the content from them. And you'll find the results for the headers will vary. If it's quite a competitive, well SEO optimized niche, the headers will be really good, and if it's not, then they might not be as good. Okay, so you can see we've got 36,000 words of content, and we're free to spin it, shuffle it if you want to use it in a black hat way, and if you want to use it in a white hat way, you can see we've got tons and tons and tons and tons of ideas now for subcategories within that chosen keyword. Okay, that's it guys. Again,